Hello, this is the first day of my series uh, writing Go Code every day. I've just created that name right now. And today is going to be a simple episode. I'm simply going to solve a kata here in Code Wars. I chose the first one that appears here. So multiplies 3 or 5. Here I have a folder with uh, my latest kata solutions. So let's create one here and let's initiate a module here. So I'll use my emails initials and multiplies multiples. Oh, let's check real quick how to pronounce this. There we have it. Multiples. Okay. So multiples of 3 and 5. There we have it. And now we can open the VS Code here. And let's check the task. So if we list all the natural numbers below 10 that are multiple of 3 or 5, we get 3, 5, 6, and 9. The sum of these multiplies is 23. So 14 plus, okay. Finish the solution so that it returns the sum of all the multiples of 3 or 6 below the number past them. Uh, finish the sum of numbers below the number that past them. These numbers are below only count it once. Okay, 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 okay. So basically, I'll have to go through every multiple of 3 or 5 and sum them. The thing is, if I simply do a for loop checking for every number, it's going to um, it is going to take a lot of time. So I basically have two options. The first one is simply to create a map here on top, so I can have all the values that I want saved here. And of course, this doesn't have to do with the solution. It simply makes sure that all the tests here passes. I don't even know if this is considered cheating. I don't think so. But the first thing that I'll do is to create the most simple solution as I can think, and I'll work from there. So just 1 second. Okay, I've created the boilerplate code here, so I have the function here and a test file. Uh, yeah, so let's um, let's approach in a test-driven development way. So I'll create a test here. So test 3 or 5. That can be a simple test. Let's check for the import. And now I basically have the two variables um, expected, which is going to be 5, for example, and what I got, which is going to be multiple 3 and 5 with the number 5 here. So actually, this should be 8 because it's 5 and 3 here, right? And I have to sum to 8. So actually, let's do 3 first. So this is the most simplest test as I can think of. Um, okay, so if expected is different than got, I'll simply fail here. So expected. What am I doing here? Okay, expected and got. Jesus, got. There we go. So now we can test it. Let's go here. Let's run it. It should be okay. Expected 3 got 0. Perfect. And now I can simply return the number. That's the easiest way for me to make this test work. Okay, great. Now we can test 5, for example. So expect 8 and this 5. Uh, yeah, that's it. I cannot simply return 8 now because otherwise this test wouldn't pass. Oh, let me just check that this test is not passing. Okay, great. And now uh, the as I said, I'll create the easiest solution that I can think of. Let me just type it in. Okay, that's as I said, the easiest solution that I can think of. So I'll create a sum which is 0, and I'll create a new variable with the number value, and I'll go until it is equals 3, and it will go down. So one by one. So if this is 5, it's going to start as 5. If the the rest of the division by 3 equals 0, so the numbers can be divided by 3, or if the number can be divided by 5, it will sum here. And it won't sum twice. This is the easiest solution that I can think of. Let's run the test. Oh, it did not work. Let's hear. Expected 3 got 0, expect 8 got 5. Um, okay. I'll probably have to debug this then. How? Okay, it can equals 3 too. Okay. And so it is bigger than 2. That will work here. Yeah, now we have the correct values. So this is the most simple solution that I can think of. The thing is, this is not optimal, right? Because there are a bunch of numbers smaller uh, than this number that are. If I know that, for example, this number is, I don't know, 373. I know that this number is not cannot be divided by 3 or 5. Then I can check the second one. Oh Jesus, what did I do? What the hell is the? Oh, sorry, I'm on on the test file. So um, I'll check 372. This number is divided by it can be divided by 3. So I know that um, and if we divide it here by 3, it's going to give us 109, right? Which means that uh, what I meant to say is that if I know that this number is divided by, it can be divided by 3, I know that this number can, right? Because it's this minus 3. And then 366, and so on. So uh, the thing is, there is a simple math solution here. I'm just trying to think of it. Just 1 second, then. Okay, I'll be honest. I cannot think of the math solution which is going to make this uh the solution better. So I'll just send it here in the test uh and check if they want something more, because it's a simple solution, right? Oops. Okay. Handle 10 to equal 23. It expected 33. Oh, okay. So this is the actual value. So 10 did not work. Let me check. 10. So 10. This should be 23. I can think of it. 10. So it's 9 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3. Right? Is that it? Yeah. Right. And 10, and also 10. Yes, 10 is can be divided by 5. So this is 19, 24, 33. This is 33. Hmm. Okay. I don't get it. Wait. Uh, on or below. Oh, okay. So it's below the number. So okay. So it's not equals the number. It's the number minus one. So so it's 23, not 33. Okay, this should work then. So 5, it's not 8, it's, but if 6, it's equal to 8. So 3 should be 0. Okay, now this should work. Yeah, now it works. Okay. Send a request. Okay, let's attempt it. Great, let's submit it. Yeah, it was a simple solution, a simple task. This is exactly what I did. Oh, this one is mine? No, it's not. It's from this guy. Um, okay, this one is crazy. Number minus 1 divided by 3. This is the floor division, right? The integer division. So it's the nearest one. And 15. So the value here plus 1 times 3, and this. Okay, this is I have no idea what this is about. Let me check here. Whatever. Inclusion exclusion principle. Similar survival train, then the other similar is protect the twice. Okay, similar. Okay, makes sense. Yeah, if I want all of this, I'll take here some with this and minus this part, right? Okay, I like it. Okay, but that's it for the video now. See you.